Accounts of partnership firms, fundamentals. Sum number 10. Ahmed and Bashir contribute 60,000 and 40,000 respectively as capital. Their respective share of profit is 2:1 and the profit before interest on capital for the year is rupees 5,000. Compute the amount of interest on capital in each of the following situation. The first situation is if the partnership deed is silent as to the interest on capital, there is no interest on capital is allowed when partnership deed is silent. The second situation is if interest on capital at 4% is allowed as per the partnership deed. Since there is sufficient profit of rupees 5,000 for the interest on capital at 4%, so interest on capital will be provided. The formula for interest on capital is equal to amount of capital into rate of interest. First, we will provide interest on capital for Ahmed. Amount of capital for Ahmed is rupees 60,000 and rate of interest is 4% per annum. If we solve this, we will get rupees 2,400 for Ahmed. Then we will calculate interest on capital for Bashir. The amount of capital for Bashir is rupees 40,000 and rate of interest is same 4%. If we solve this, we will get rupees 1,600 for Bashir's interest on capital. So, interest on Ahmed's capital is rupees 2,400 and Bashir's capital is rupees 1,600. The third situation, if the partnership deed allows interest on capital at 6% per annum. Since there is insufficient profit of rupees 5,000 when interest on capital is 6% per annum. So, interest on capital will not be provided. So, what we have to do is we have to share the profit in ratio. The amount of interest on capital for Ahmed is rupees 60,000 and for Bashir is rupees 40,000 and rate of interest is 6% per annum. If we calculate this, then Ahmed's interest on capital is rupees 3,600 and Bashir interest on capital is rupees 2,400. Now we have to convert this amount into ratio because interest on capital will not be provided. Ahmed interest on capital is rupees 3,600 and Bashir interest on capital is rupees 2,400. Both are divisible by 12. 3 times 3,600, 2 times 2,400, which is 3:2. So the profit of rupees 5,000 will be distributed to the partners in their capital ratio of 3:2.